Hello guys, welcome to another Python tutorial. This tutorial will be doing something that's quite interesting, which is what called as stemming and removing stop words in sentences to make sense out of sentences. We'll be using Natural Language Toolkit library from nltk.org and then sklearn feature to extract text. So let's get straight into it and see what it is all about. Import sklearn feature extraction dot text as ext from nltk import word tokenize. So you could import this nltk, go to command prompt pip install nltk. So you press enter and it will install it for you. And once you're done installing, you have to download. Sorry for this. You have to the one that I'll put the link below. So you have to install the tokens from an nltk so that it can do the processing for you. So I'll let you guys know in the next video because I've already done it. So uh, from I'll let you guys know at the end of the video. nltk dot stem dot import porter stemmer equals porter stemmer. Then we're going to define two methods, def stem, you could call it anything you want, tokens, it's going to take tokens and the stemmer that we define as an argument. Stemmed equals an array, then for item in tokens stemmed dot append stemmer dot stem item, and then you go ahead and return the stemmed. So this is one method which I'll explain later, and there's another method to tokenize. So tokenize, it's gonna take text as an argument. So tokens equals word tokenize text, then stems equals stem tokens. So you're going to call this method over there. It's going to take the tokens and then the stemmer that you define over here as an argument, and then it's going to return stems. So now we could go ahead and declare a vocab of your choice. swing. So he swims all the time. Right. ext, which I have imported from the sklearn feature extraction text as ext dot count vectorizer tokenizer tokenize comma stop words. You could give the language that's available. So since we're using English, then just give English. And then you're gonna fit the vocab that you have defined to this vect, and then you're gonna train it. Fit vocab. So, and then you go ahead and print it out. Print vect dot get features names. Save. So what this code is going to do is like you've defined your vocabulary. So this is your vocabulary, and then uh, uh, okay, let's execute this and see what happens first. Save, execute. So this thing, so you define your vocabulary over here, which is this. So from this, it's going to get rid of if it's going to do swimming by getting rid of similar words. I mean, not like the words with same prefix. So let's say you cats, catty, cat-like, and all those things have a common root word cat. Not in the sense like the meaning, the origin, the root word cat. Swimming, swims, swim, swam. It all has a common root word swim. So it's gonna do that. That's called stemming. And then the stop words are like he, that, and all those things. So those things are called stop words. So you pass the vocabulary and then use this method to tokenize. And then for stop word, use English, so it knows what are the stop words in English. Stop words are like the and all those articles, prepositions, and all those that makes no sense to the computer but makes a lot of sense to us when we are speaking. So you are using the tokenizer that you have defined over here, and then the stop words for English, and then this is your vocab, and then you are training it. So you are training it by fitting your vocab to this count vectorizer that you have declared over there, and then from there you are extracting the features like the unique words in the sentence. So Sam loves love swim time, yeah. So those are all the feature words. Now you could pass another data that you want to analyze, and then find out the similarity between the word that you're, I mean, the set of words that you're passing, and the word that and the vocab that you use to train the system. So let's declare a sentence, another sentence, a new sentence that we want to like analyze. Mm, sentence 1 equals big dot transform Ruben loves swimming too. So now let's print out this sentence 1 that we have transformed to array as an array. So it's gonna tell us the similarity. So how it's gonna tell us? So here we go. So we have love once, and then swim once and once. Let's edit this one and add swimming to most of the time. So next time when I execute this, so this thing should get incremented to 1. Shit, what did I do? Yeah, as you could see, this thing has got incremented to 1. Let's put 2 swim. I mean, just already existing feature vocab. I swim. So this count has to increment by 1 and go to 2. So it has incremented. So this is a quite machine learning algorithm that you use to find the similarity between the data that you have used to train the machine and the data that you want to understand. So from this you could easily understand, you pass this statement in and then the machine tells you that Ruben also loves swimming. Uh, yeah, actually it makes sense out of the text that you're passing in. So this one, so you could write a code further to like, okay, the love, okay, it has 1. Okay, swim, it has 1. So it's gonna tell you like, okay, this guy to love swimming by itself. So that's what it's all about. So it's just a basic. So we might be discussing it further in a future tutorial, but not in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any doubts, then comment below. I'll try to answer. If not, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next tutorial.